Researchers at the University of MIT were developing a computer program in 1964. In the following 2 years, they built ELIZA, an app that would lay the groundwork for all subsequent chatbots, a program so far ahead of its time that it would enable seamless communication between humans and robots. The addition of keyboard-enabled replies was what made ELIZA so amazing.
Pretend that you have some psychiatric problem. Type it in and see what happens.
I'm depressed.
Users experienced the sense of speaking to someone who understood them for the first time. Another language processing robot named A.L.I.C.E debuted in 1995, and by 2001, its smaller childs were introduced. A decade after Apple released its Siri, a language processor as well, and before Alexa and Google now rule the world.
Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
A new AI revolution known as OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT in November 2022. It's a large language that uses machine learning to create text that seems human-like. It is based on the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture and employs a dataset of conversational text. The model is trained to predict the next word in a sentence based on the words that come before it. It generates words when given a cue that seamlessly and organically expands the statement or topic. The methodology is applicable to a wide range of applications for processing languages, including question and answer systems, text summarization, and language translation. What distinguishes ChatGPT from Alexa and Siri? Since ChatGPT can provide you with in-depth responses, it is unique. You could, for instance, write a tale, an essay, or any kind of article. A particular kind of neural network designed for tasks involving the processing of natural language. A neural network is a sizable computer network that can locate outputs and inputs, which enables it to comprehend the meaning of the input and context and provide conversational answers. The GPT generative pre-trained transformer language model is modified in ChatGPT. The GPT concept is built on the transformer, which was first mentioned in a 2017 paper by Google researchers. It is implied by this that the model learns to generate text without being explicitly directed to do so. Based on the context of the words that came before it during pre-training, the model develops the capacity to predict the subsequent word in a phrase. The community can use ChatGPT in a variety of ways to improve their lives. Several possible applications include: 1. Chatbots. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can interact naturally with people. This is useful for customer service, online purchasing, and other instances where customers need help or information. 2. ChatGPT can be used to generate text for emails, articles, and social media posts. This can save time and effort for people who need to produce a lot of written content. 3. Language translation. ChatGPT can be configured to translate text between languages, which is useful for individuals who need to communicate with people who speak various languages. 4. ChatGPT can be configured to summarize content, which may be useful for people who only have a limited amount of time to read a document or news report. 5. Language model as a service. Developers can include ChatGPT's capabilities into their own programs, such as writing assistance tools, speech recognition software, and more, by using ChatGPT as a service. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.